Hello, today I'm going to change the window regulator on a 2008 Ford F150. Start by taking out a bolt here and a bolt there. Got one, two bolts off. Pry this little piece off with a screwdriver. Remove those two bolts. Remove those two bolts. The bottom two were 6mm. Two bolts on the door handle are 8mm. Move the speaker trim. There's a little notch over here. You can pick it up. Pull that out. These 4 bolts are 5.5mm. Take the speaker out. The release clips right there. Just push down and release. Pop that up. Disconnect all the electrical connectors. You see they all have little push tabs on them to release them. Underneath there is one more bolt, 8mm. And you should just be able to grab the door handle, be able to grab the bottom panel and lift up. Alright, just pry it up. Lift it up. Gonna release the door handle cable. Pull that up. Once you pull that out, slide it up and over. Just lift it up. So when lifting up the door, these are what's holding it on. These holes, they're latched. They're hooked on. You gotta lift them up. It's all the way around. So that's what makes it hard. They're just tight, you just gotta lift it up. Now we're gonna remove the weather barrier. Alright, we have area to work right here. Open up the weather shield. We'll push on the tab. Disconnect the wire harness to the motor. One bracket bolt removed here. One bracket bolt here. I have another bracket bolt right above electrical connector for the motor. Bottom one here, and the bottom one here. Alright, got one bolt here removed, one here removed, 2 bolts down here, and one in the middle. The regulator should come out now. The regulator should come down. You'll be able to slide out of this hole. all the K4s. Get the other side out. There it is. We're out. There's leather. There's the old one and the new one. Let's put the new one back in. So you have to loosen these bolts. Get the new window back on. Let's stick the motor side in first. The other side in. They're up in there. Line everything up. Let's bolt it back together. And the top bolt of the bracket. Turn at the bottom. Turn the bolt to the motor. Connect the motor. It's working. And when you change it, use a CARQUEST one. One comes with a yellow and red wire harness. That's the one you'll need for the driver's side. Also comes with a red and green wire harness. Use the red and yellow one. If not, you'll be going down when you want to go up, and you'll be going up when you want to go down. So now we're going to lift these up to where we can see to tighten down the window into the bracket. I got the window in the bracket. And tighten it up. Alright, we're going to put the door panel back on. I have to put the door handle cable back in, slide down in there. Make sure all your master switch harnesses are out. Speaker harnesses out. Put the door panel back on. Alright, we got the door panel on. Plug up the speaker. Speaker's back on with the 5mm. Cover's back on. Let's put the master switch back on. Could you put the bolt behind the master switch? Bolt behind the master switch is an 8mm. 2 bolts that go in the door handle. Also 8mm. The cover on. Put the 2 screws back on the bottom, 6mm. Windows fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.